All right, guys, ready for level 2. All right, so again, I'm just going to quickly take you guys through level 2, explain what it's about, and hopefully it'll make it a little bit easier for you guys to get through it. All right, level 2 is name and flag. Starting from this level forward, you're also going to do every step 1 will be some research, okay? So what you'll do is you'll click on the research document, you'll make a copy, share it with your partner if you have one, and then we'll go through it. All right, so level 2 flag research. So you're going to read and annotate about 3 to 5 annotations on this article, and then you're going to paste the link back into the level document. So you and your partner, if you have one, you're going to go through this, or your group members, whoever, you guys are just going to read through, make a couple of annotations. There's always going to be, hopefully, some images, some charts, some graphs along with the text, okay? This one is actually one of the longer pieces of research because there's so many different meanings to flags and symbols in flags and so forth. And so you guys can just go through it. If ever there's stuff linked in a research, you don't have to follow the links. You just are reading through the information that's here, okay? So annotate that, read through it. Then you're going to, again, copy the link at the top, and then you're just going to paste the link to your annotations here in this box, okay? So that's your research step. Step 2, you're going to get into like naming your country, okay? So we've got some options for you guys. You're going to go through, highlight some of the things that you guys identify with and you want to include in your country. Based off those ideas, you're going to come up with the name of your country. Remember, guys, it does have to be school appropriate, okay? So just make sure it makes sense for what you guys want your country to be about. You're going to tell us the reason why you named it. So you need to have a pretty good explanation why. This shouldn't be something that says the reason I made the name of my country is because it's cool. Not okay. All right. Have a reason. Go back to these things. What do you want to make important in your country and how does that reflect in the name? Okay. Step 3 is your flag. All right. You guys are going to create either on a blank sheet of paper or in some sort of digital format, a flag for your country, okay? Go back and remember what those colors and symbols mean. Put the things that you want represented into your flag. Once you guys do that, you're going to paste the picture of your flag here. Excuse me, guys. It can be a link if it's a Google Doc. If it's on paper, take a picture of it and paste it here, okay? We just need to be able to see it. Then you guys are going to explain, again, why you chose what you did, okay? So this is your analysis of your flag. So it's literally going to be I chose the colors blank, blank, and blank because, and then tell us what they represent. You chose the symbols because of what they represent. So explain that here, okay? And then that's it, all right? That is your first, official level, okay? It's a pretty short level. We talked about how the beginning levels are easier. Okay, this one's probably the easiest level that you're going to have so far. Okay, all right, so checklist again goes through everything that you need to do. Then you need to submit this document with everything linked in it. And then here you guys can see those learning goals for every subject that you guys are participating in this unit. Okay, hopefully, I know this one was super, super short. Okay, but it's pretty self-explanatory. Research, name your country, make sure the name makes sense. Flag, again, make sure that the flag is representative of the things that you want through the colors and symbols and what they mean. Complete your analysis and then submit everything. All right, guys, again, make sure that you guys email us if you have questions. Include all 4 of your teachers in that email, or you guys can Zoom with us on Thursday. Okay.